Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make salsa chicken. First, gather your ingredients. About 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 16-ounce jar of your favorite salsa, and a few basic spices like cumin and chili powder. Ensure your chicken is thawed and ready for cooking. This simple dish is perfect for a quick weeknight meal or meal prepping. Next, place your chicken breasts in a slow cooker. Pour the entire 16 ounces of salsa directly over the chicken, making sure each piece is well covered. Sprinkle with 1 teaspoon of cumin and 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder for extra depth. Cook on the low setting for 3 to 4 hours, or on high for about 2 hours, until the chicken is tender. Once cooked, carefully remove the chicken breasts from the slow cooker. Using 2 forks, easily shred the tender chicken right in a bowl. Then, return all the shredded chicken back into the slow cooker with the salsa mixture. Stir everything together to ensure the chicken fully absorbs all those delicious flavors. Serve this versatile dish warm over rice, in soft tacos, or as a topping for a fresh salad. For some delicious variations, consider adding a can of drained black beans or 1 cup of frozen corn during the last 30 minutes of cooking. Garnish your salsa chicken with fresh cilantro, sliced avocado, or a dollop of sour cream for added creaminess. This dish is fantastic for meal prep throughout the week. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.